Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of data on the application of Reddit. You click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you search about the application of Reddit and you click here. In this page of app on phone you click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.